everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Deepak Collection. This is an exclusive retail studio for boys, girls, ladies and men. Total retail studio, only offline, no online. And this comes in a street called Sudhamanagar, which comes nearby Lal Bagh, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in Lal Bagh Road. So this is Lal Bagh Road. And right opposite to this, you can just see there is called Brahmananda Court. So this one landmark. Right next to that, there is Blossom Banquet Hall. In between this, you have to go. There is a street you can just see. So just inside this street, you have to go. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check. Here is outlet is the Deepak Collection, exclusive retail outlet, exclusive family store. Totally 4 floors are there, very huge retail studio. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. Only offline, no online. There is no online, only offline. 4 episodes are going to come. One is for boys, one is for girls, one is for men, one is for women. And the Google Maps, Instagram link, YouTube link is in description below. They'll be uploading regular videos over there. So you can subscribe to the channel over there also. You'll be getting regular updates. So right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Hardik Jain. Hi Hardik, welcome to my show. Hardik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
Yes, hello. Welcome to Deepak Collection. This is a complete family store. We get here for men's, boys, ladies and girls.
So there is no online, it's only offline.
Yes.
And how many years over for you in this business?
So my dad has been in this business for more than 15 years.
What is the timing of your outlet?
Timing is 12 o'clock in the morning to 9:30 in the night.
So Hardik, welcome to my show again. In this floor, what you are going to show in this episode?
This is the first floor of our building, the boys section.
Okay.
So in boys we have everything for boys.
Okay.
T-shirts, shirts, track pant, jeans pant, cotton pant, blazers, suits, sherwani, complete family.
What age
wear.
to what age we'll get in this floor?
Yes, function wear also, you get daily wear also. If you're going on a vacation, holiday, we have clothes for that also.
No, what age to what age you will get in this floor?
We get 0 to 14 years.
0 to 14 years is
0
this
to
floor?
14 years in this.
Okay, would you like to
Yeah,
take
I
a
will
tour?
show something from
Okay.
here. This is a men's boys shirt.
Okay, so this entire section is shirts.
Entire
You can
section
just
is
have a
shirts.
look.
Yes.
4 years to 5 years, the collections you can just have a look.
Yes.
More than this, what 100 varieties?
Yes.
This also shirts.
Yeah, this is fancy shirt.
Okay,
As I told you earlier, we have for family functions,
nice.
any function wear.
Cool.
So,
So this entire section is for
yes,
shirts.
we have
2
kurta
years.
style also.
Cool. So wedding wear, everything you'll get.
Yes.
So Indo-Western, everything you'll get for boys.
Yes.
Okay. So this entire section you can just see is for boys only, for shirts. Lot of varieties are there. Quality is very good. Trial room is there.
We'll go to the jacket section.
Okay. So these are the jacket section.
Yes. Jackets for boys of all
Very
sizes.
nice. Okay.
The price is 280.
280. Okay. Very
So
nice.
we have
Yeah.
every kind of fancy, every color,
Beautiful
design.
jackets.
This is also 280.
Nice. Cool. So these all are the jackets.
Yes.
You can just have a look. These
Yes,
all
we
are the
have
varieties of
sleeveless
the
jackets also.
Okay. Very nice. So these all are the varieties of the jackets. You can just see how many varieties are there. All prices are different.
Yes.
Only offline, no online. You will have to come here. These are t-shirts.
These are t-shirts for boys.
32 size.
32
10 years to 11
10
years
years to
this.
11 years.
Okay. Would you like to show some sample?
Yes.
Very nice. Again, just see. So in this t-shirt, you will get round neck, collar,
150
V-neck, everything you get. 150. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. All types of t-shirts you will get here. So many varieties. Again, you can just check. If you want, do come to the outlet. Then again,
12 to
this for
13 years.
12 to 13 years. Size is 34. In this also, you can just see the varieties. More than 50, 100 varieties of t-shirts are here. This shirt section, right?
Yes. Again.
12 to 13 years. Size 34.
34.
You can just have a look in this also. So many varieties. Again, these shirts. You can just have
160
it.
rupees.
160 rupees. Very nice shirts here. Very reasonable this.
This is kurta style.
Okay.
And the price is 170.
Whatever you're giving is like wholesale price only.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not even retail price. Here what you will get?
Yeah, this is a suits which I
Okay.
showed earlier in the video.
Okay.
So there are more varieties in this.
Okay.
You get more than 300 to 400 varieties.
Okay, this
In the
entire
suits
section
and
is suit.
sherwanis. Yes. This entire section is similar to that.
Okay. You can just have a look.
This
These
is a
all are the
blazer.
collections of the blazers.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Just check.
Party wear basically.
Party wear. Also, you will get different types of blazers here, not just one type. All types of blazers you will get over here. You can just have a look. And this is also one more sections of the blazer.
This is sherwani.
Sherwani. So here you will get all the sherwanis and all. You want to show any sample one?
Yes.
And what is the starting price in sherwani? This section is for sherwani.
500 rupees starting.
500.
800 rupees is there.
Wow.
This one is for 600 rupees.
Such a beautiful collection this of sherwani. This entire section is sherwanis. You can just have a look. In this also more than 30-40 varieties are there. This is also one more color, and then apart from this also like this. You can just see entire packing come like this. This is with waistcoat, like a Modi dress. This,
Yes.
and then apart from this,
We have kurtas over here.
okay. So this kurtas you can just
I
have a
just
look.
wanted to show some variety.
Okay. In this, what is the starting price?
Starting price is 180
180.
to 300.
180 to 300. So if you want kurtas for boys, here you'll get 0 to 14 years. These are just few varieties, almost like 30-40 varieties are there of kurtas.
These are night pants.
Okay.
So I
This
just
entire
wanted to
section
show-
is night pants.
Yeah, track pants, night pants.
Cool. Nice. Starting price is what in night pants?
120 rupees.
120 rupees is the starting price in night pants. You can just have a look. This entire section is for night pants
Yes.
for boys.
Boy.
Here some jeans are there. Again
Some
track
shorts
pants.
also. We have some
Shorts.
shorts also.
Okay.
over here.
In this, what is the starting price?
The starting price is 120. in
120.
This also.
Okay.
And this one is for 140.
140. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Very nice. Fabric is also superb. And you can just see this again. All are track pants only. And again, these are some collections of night pants.
Night pants, shorts.
Shorts.
You
Okay.
get both. For just size wise.
Okay. Cool.
Starting from the small size to big size.
Okay. You can just have
Everything
a
is under this. All
A
the
to Z boys clothes you'll get. Any more detail, WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all details.